Say hi, Marklyn.
Fuck!
Lazy nigga. What is that? You recording?
Yeah.
Niggas out here on my motherfucking birthday in a motherfucking blizzard. It's frustration.
Frustration.
Stress.
God is coming on our heads right now.
You're fucking dirty. Yo.
I can't even breathe.
Yo, you probably don't even know who I am.
Boiboi.
So you give it up.
Pretty Flacco.
You pretty motherfucker.
This is pretty Euro. I ain't Flacco, nigga. I'm muscular.
Fuck, that's like pretty Euro. They call me that pretty Flacco, papi sampu. It's too cold out here.
Cold.
Honestly though, it should be way colder.
You gotta
than
post the
this.
shit up.
Right? It's
You
not
gotta post the
cold.
shit up as soon as you get home. I just wanna say, turn it this way. If you haven't said happy birthday to me yet, you got, I don't know how long you got, but you got until 12 o'clock to say happy
Hold on,
birthday.
I
If you
got
don't
you.
say happy birthday, fuck you.
Hold up, Michael, I got you. Hold up. They got an hour.
You got an hour? You
Yeah.
got an hour to say happy birthday to me.
It's 11. That shit's crazy. 11:06.
No, it's cold. You guys get closer?
I'm trying. Shit.
Alright, yo.
End this video now?
About to bang out. Stop saying
No.
Hell yeah, nigga. Let's scream, yo. Fuck. I'm out the door now.
We got the weekend.
I'm out the door right now. Hold on. Let me breathe.
Sing happy birthday to yourself.
I got you.
Oh my gosh. Not loud. Yo, how long have you been walking? Where is it?
Como estas?
Nigga, I feel like you've been walking forever. Like, this is no end to the street. I wonder how broad is.
Broad is probably shit.
Oh no, but my mom's supposed to be walking.
Your mom's walking?
Yeah, she wants to meet me halfway. I doubt she's walking.
Right?
I doubt it.
If your mom does that, God bless her.
Bart.
Can I end this video?
Alright, let me sign off real quick. This pretty Euro signing off. Middle finger to you niggas.
It's that pretty Flacco. You know, boy. Bye.
It's just me.